Do you want to play a little game?
Daddy, I want to pedal. Stop.
So I'm making Fee get dirty again underneath all the goopy shit under here. We're gonna be replacing the springs.
Attempting to.
Oh yeah, we're gonna see if we can replace the springs.
I didn't give him any guarantees today. We're just attempting to see.
Well, at least we're always taking a gander under here. You can see where that stuff wore off and it's already starting to rust. Right at the tip there. This is kind of like a checkup on how well that stuff works. So the stuff works as long as it stays on the thing. The back of the brake caliper started rusting here. Part of this axle started rusting there, but only on the exposed side. Probably where that has like washed off.
Yeah, stop slamming into puddles.
Hey, it's just raining, man. It's not me slamming into puddles. All right, so remove sway bar. Remove e-brake cable. Swings down.
Now you have full access to the spring. Now we're gonna pop the shock off.
Are those end links junk? Well, if you jiggle them, you would know. Pull on the bar.
I don't want to touch it. It's
Oh,
all
I
nasty.
see.
But it feels good.
All right. Don't do that.
I don't want to touch it. It's nasty.
The sway bar stuff is mostly washed off.
Mostly. Keyword. Mostly.
Yeah. Look, because you sprayed that stuff, things just come right off.
No, I think everything came out from this car anyways.
Yeah, but it would have been worse over this winter. All right, let me get out of here.
I hope this rear end is not as soft as the front.
Oh, that's a stud? Oh, that bushing on that shock looks like junk too.
No, still good.
Oh, it looks like it's torn. Oh, it's one of those.
Going up.
You're not from out here. You're probably 4 inches from the roof.
Your trunk, we should be good. Solid metal.
What, the where that joint is? Yeah, right there. That's good. Okay.
Good right there?
Yeah, that's good right there.
Make sure those two wing nuts don't hit the side of the... There.
Okay.
Alright, watch yourself.
Okay. Go slowly first.
Yep.
Oh, now that we've twisted it, I can see that this bushing's kind of sus too.
Am I on it?
Nope, keep going. You got like another inch. You are about to make contact. You have landed.
Just hold the rubber a little bit.
Don't rip my rubber. No protection without it. Oh, Jesus.
Let's see.
All right.
That's collapsed a little bit. Let's see, where's the flat spot? This one has a flat on the bottom.
That has a flat on the bottom too.
I'll get this one back in.
You what? I wish I brought my rubber boots that I usually have.
Nice. There you go. Put this in the hole. Okay, now do it. He pushes up, you pull down. There we go. Without the spring there, so much easier.
But now you gotta fight this spring on the other side.
No, maybe not. We'll see.
Done?
Yeah.
No?
Tell. Back it off just in here. Okay, that looks like feels like it's good right there. How's that?
I don't know.
Right in that.
I can't see.
Okay. We will wobble this. Make sure it's in the slot. Yeah, it's in. Yep, it's in. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Okay. That should give us enough. You want to pull down on this side? Just a little more. Okay. 1 second. Right in. Ready? Alright, that sucker right into place. Pull. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now I just gotta spin it. Pull down real quick. I just gotta spin it. Yeah. Ready? Yeah.
The top's coming
Alright.
off. The top rubber.
Is it off? Off? Yeah. No, we're good.
It's good?
in.
Okay.
Whew. It's called cheating. It's not how it's supposed to be.
Is it cheating if it works?
Yes. I wouldn't go between that. I think. Ready? Hold up.
That's about the right height.
Yep. Okay.
Yeah, comp, right?
Hmm?
Yeah, workman's comp, right?
No.
We don't do that here.
Too broke for that, man.
If you die, you die.
Alright, I broke your arm. It's over.
He just got some of the gooey crap on his arm.
That good old undercoat stuff.
Yeah.
It's all over my head.
You did that, or is that from Japan?
No, if he
did
did
it.
it. You were here, remember? You what?
I forgot you did it on the van.
Whoa.
I was gonna say that.
I'm in danger. You bent my thing again?
Not me.
And how am I supposed to get that control arm off if I have to?
With tricks.
Tissue paper,
Go
man.
up real quick.
Coming up.
Alright.
This thing's made of tissue
I don't know,
paper.
what the heck did it hit?
What'd you hit? What do you mean?
I don't know. What the hell bent it?
On the thing.
I put the rubber on it.
Yeah, but you're putting all the weight on that thing, on that little tab.
Do a triangle. Stop.
You gonna get both tabs this time?
Yes. Hey, D. Well, I asked you to aim. You aimed it, not me.
You are about to make contact. You have landed. I don't know.
Come down. Okay. I'll have you go back up in a second. Alright, go up. All the way. Okay, stop right there. Don't want to turn this car into a sandwich. I'm like sandwiching everything already, so. Not on purpose.
We're discovering the softness.
How much of soft tissue this thing is.
You know.
Even the supposedly very strong metal.
Yes. Because I know, like, on other cars, I've jacked up, like, the car with, like, different parts of the pieces that you're using right now, and they've never bent like that. I've never seen that before.
It's not my fault.
It's Nissan's fault. This is why they're bankrupt. Nissan, it's just the Japanese Chrysler.
So, Ray, what is my skill worth to you?
Your skill is worth all these random things I keep bringing here instead of me doing it myself.
What a deal, right?
I know. I'm willing to pay for this. 100% would pay money again. 100%, 100% of the time.
It's in New England. It's gonna rot eventually, no matter what.
You're not helping it.
I'm just speeding it up a couple of years, you know.
You're bringing it forward into this century here.
It's lived too long already.
I know. This is it's a 98, so it is 27 years old. It's only 31,000 miles that most of them are mine.
He needs to join his brothers and sisters on the other side.
Yeah, then we'll get the new one, right? The E51.
When they become scrap. Did 2 hours worth of work in an hour, so what does that warrant me?
Two Happy Meals and a pack of Pokemon cards.
Crank up the shock bolt.
My dog bone bushing here is ripped. I need to get a new one. All right, test drive with the new spring. It rides the same. Or I think it rides the same. I'm not actually sure. All right, the battery died on my drive, but now I feel like I need to get the front springs too, but that's a problem for later. This sits a lot higher than it used to. I didn't measure it. I goofed. I should have measured it, but this is, what's that, like 4 or 5 inches? It was never like this before. Another telltale sign would be, ooh, too much crap going on here. Right. So another telltale sign of how, like, I don't know. When I sat on this before, this whole thing sagged like 2-3 inches down, and now it hardly sags. Let's see. Coming over, I'm just gonna sit on the bumper here. Plenty of space. The rear springs are now in, and now I'm debating whether or not I want to do the front ones too. We have a road trip with the family and friends coming. That will be a solid test of these new reinforced springs that I bought from an Elgrand specialty shop in the UK called JDM Car Parts UK. We did a friends and family trip in this van back in February, and I know how rough it was when it was fully loaded with 3 kids and 4 adults. The rears were bouncing off the bump stops. Somewhere in I-95 in New Jersey, there's these connecting like slabs of concrete, and every time we hit one of those, it was really rough. I remember how bad it was. It's kind of like, it reminds me of riding in the back of a school bus and you're sitting right over the wheel. So we're gonna find out soon, and then I'm gonna decide whether or not I wanna do the front ones too, because reinforced springs are always good, and I'm sure we're gonna be carrying more and more weight in here as we get fatter. Subscribe for the updates. I hope if you have an Elgrand, this can help you install it, and I'll see you guys next time.